Hi, Dave here with ESP, and what we're going to talk about today is the effects of high frequency noise on microprocessor based equipment. And we're talking about equipment such as multifunction printers, ATMs, kiosks. That type of equipment, when subjected to high frequency noise, can generally experience things like logic lockups, erratic equipment operation, and in some cases over time actual damage to the electronic components of inside the equipment on the boards. What we're going to demonstrate is using this waveform generator, which actually can introduce a high frequency noise signal into this device, show you the relative effects on that type of electronic equipment. So for example, as you notice, without any noise being generated at the moment, this counter is simulating basically a copier generating copies. So the counter is operating normally, the copier is functioning. There is no noise, as you can see in the viewer. There's no noise present on the input line, on the voltage line. But when we introduce the high frequency signal, you see it appear on the viewer. You also see that the counter has ceased to operate, and that is an indication that something has happened from a control standpoint. So on an MFP, on an ATM or a kiosk, that would result in a lockup. The equipment would stop functioning. You might get error codes generated. So what we can do to eliminate the effects of that high frequency noise is to use an ESP surge protector, which contains a high frequency noise filter. And we can demonstrate the effects of that noise filter by passing the noise through the ESP device. And when we do that, what you'll notice is the noise has been dramatically reduced to safe levels. The counter continues to operate, and basically what we have done is taken the high frequency noise out of the input into the equipment, and therefore reduced the chances of any kind of logic lockup, error codes, or other type of erratic operation.